Hey everybody, we're here with Robert, and he's with Rational.
Right.
And tell us a little bit about what you got going on here. I see a lot of cool stuff in this booth.
Yep.
And one of the things that is really exciting, and we kind of chatted about this earlier, is this really crazy bathtub of love.
Bathtub, I like that. I'm gonna trademark that before you do. This is the Ivario Pro that Rational has brought to the United States. It's been around Europe for about 20 years. In the last couple of years, it's been brought to the United States. It's our solution to contact heat. We have an auto fill with water. We have an auto dump, auto lift if we were to do boiling baskets of water. But if you think of anything on top of a range, that's where this would come into play. You think about pots and pans, you think about stock pots, those type of cooking pots inside of a kitchen, that's where this would come in. So it does have all the intelligence that Rational has with our iCombi Pro, now with the Ivario Pro. So we have different options as far as boiling goes. Like I said, contact heat, and in the rare instance that we wanted to turn it into a deep fryer, we could do that as well.
That's awesome.
So
cool.
A lot of fun with it. You know, if I just hit certain things, all these paths will pop up, and those are all presets. We are a global company. We're founded in Germany, so this is all preset, but once again, there is stuff that you can still tailor to your own expertise inside each one of the kitchens.
And obviously German-made engineering, so it's like high quality, durable,
correct,
and all those things. And then one of the things you were kind of highlighting before that we kind of chatted about was just making it easy to like lift heavy things or not have to lift heavy things.
Correct.
But being able to kind of have you know, your cook staff or all types of people, no matter whatever their mobility is, to be able to kind of operate and work this machine.
Yeah, so
you have that sweet little grandma who can't lift the, you know.
If you think about, like, if someone was to boil a big pot of water, they'd have to go fill it up, carry that sucker all the way to the stove, turn it on. Then when you're on the contrary, when you're moving that, you have to carry really hot items. So this right here, let me just show you this real quick. I can close the lid if I need to, or let's get that lid back up. And then once we're done with whatever we're cooking, so there, the machine itself will dump. So we could actually put a strainer here if we were doing like a stock, if we wanted to do that. But if I was doing a whole entire thing of chili, I'd roll a hotel pan, I'd dump this all the way up. And now, once I take everything out of it, our good friends over at Airnox, we kind of tell a story together. We can chill it if we need to. We can walk it right into a walk-in. With a 90-year-old lady, like you mentioned, she's not lifting anything hot and heavy anymore. It's just real simple. It's ease. Rational is known for monitoring and assisting in the kitchen, and that's exactly what this is for.
That's awesome. And then what else do you guys got over here?
Over here is our iCombi Pro. It's the iCombi Pro is combi technology, which combines convectional heat with steam. So it goes as low as 87 degrees, as high as 572 degrees. Right now, we're doing some cookies. So we just hit the button, cookies and biscuits. It's walking itself through the system. And in about 8 minutes, we're gonna have some goodness that's come out. We did some flans actually overnight, and these came out of there as well. Earlier in the show, we've grilled some steaks. We actually did French fries in here as well. This morning, we started off with breakfast burritos and croissants. So
it's really the one-stop shop.
One-stop shop, exactly. We can bake, we can steam, we can grill, we can do an overnight roast if we wanted to, or we can do desserts. I mean, the sky's the limit as far as what you can do. And the great thing about this one, I know a lot of places, you know, we're all worried about energy and we're worried about what's going on as far as the environment goes. This is a self-containing hood. So this particular machine can be placed anywhere in a kitchen as long as I have a water hookup and a drain. I have an ultravent system that will capture any sort of steam that comes out of here. And so it does not need to be placed underneath the hood. So a lot of great versatility as far as our equipment goes.
Yeah, that's awesome. This seems like one of those things where it's like best bang for buck and versatility and usability and just a creative tool in a kitchen that can help you do a lot of different things. So
a lot of different
really
things.
Exciting. Really
like
cool.
We talked about with that, we're replacing deep fryers, grills, planchas. Over here, we're replacing steamers, ovens, convectional ovens.
Yeah.
A lot of different options. So
yeah.
Combining it, condensing it down into one, making it more efficient. And then
the Swiss Army knife of the kitchen.
You got it.
Yeah. Well, Robert, thanks so much, man. How's your show been so far?
It's been a great show. I really appreciate the invite. We look forward to next year.
Awesome. Cool. All right. Have a good one.
Thank you.